Hey guys, it's Yuri, and I'm here for bringing new video, new home today. But before the video starts, I want to say some words. So the channel surpassed 100 subscribers, and this is amazing for me. I'm really happy and thankful for this. So thank you if you share the home with your friends and the subscribers, and the like the videos and the comments. I appreciate your support from me. So thank you guys. This is amazing. Now we'll talk about the home. And sorry for my dead voice because I'm retired, because I have so many problems in my personal life. And now we got the same Loy project but 3 reps and more battery and more performance and more internal storage, because I know the home is very heavy. So this video will be very fast because I'm really tired and really busy now. So thank you guys. If you watch the video, please like, subscribe, and click the bell for another videos and another home. I see you in another video. Thank you for watching.